Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of theory machine. The topic is velocity and acceleration of mechanism. Question number 75 from GATE 2018. ME02 is in a rigid body in plane motion, the point R is accelerating with respect to point P at 10 angle 180 degree meter per second scale. If the acceleration of point Q is 0, the acceleration in meter per second square of point R is option A 8 angle 233 degree, option B 10 angle 225 degree, option C 10 angle 217 degree, option D 8 angle 217 degree. So this is the body PQR and it is a rigid body. Okay, because this is a single body, so PQR is a single body. Okay. And now the acceleration of point R with respect to P is given, and its magnitude is 10 and angle is 180. So PR vector is this vector. Okay, this vector. So the direction of acceleration is 180 degree to PR. So that means direction of acceleration is this direction. Okay. And so it means it is towards point P. So as we are considering the direction of acceleration of link P of R with respect to P, and its direction is towards P. So there is only the centripetal component of acceleration, because centripetal component of acceleration is always directed towards its center. Okay. So as we are considering the acceleration of point R with respect to P, so and its direction is this direction, so there is only centripetal component of acceleration, and that component of acceleration is given by omega square into the distance between the 2 points with respect to which we have to find out acceleration. So as acceleration of point R is given with respect to point P, so we are taking this distance, and we are taking only the centripetal component. Okay, so centripetal component is omega square into PR. Okay, and PR is your 20, and acceleration of this is given as 10, magnitude is given 10, so omega square will be at 10 by 20. Okay. So now it is also given that the point Q is a point of zero acceleration. Okay. Now we have to find out the acceleration of point R. Okay. So acceleration of point R means absolute acceleration of point R. Okay. So as there is only the centripetal component, because from the fact that the acceleration of point R with respect to P is given in this direction, so there is only the centripetal acceleration. Okay, so when we are considering the absolute value of acceleration of point R or acceleration of point R, then its direction will be towards Q, because centripetal component will always always act towards center. So absolute acceleration means the acceleration of point R with respect to Q. Okay, so the direction of acceleration of point R with respect to Q will be in the direction. Okay, and its magnitude will be your omega square into the distance between QR. Okay, so omega square into distance between QR, and omega square is 10 by 20, and QR is 16, so its magnitude will be 8. Okay. So the magnitude of the absolute acceleration of the of point R will be same as the magnitude of acceleration of point R with respect to Q, because Q is your fixed point is having and is having zero acceleration, that is given. Okay. Q is a point of zero acceleration. Okay. So its direction will be towards QR. So it means the direction of direction of acceleration of point R with respect to PR will be 180 plus this angle. Okay, and this angle can be determined by using that cos theta 16 by 10. Here base is 16 and this is your 20. Okay, so it will be your 36.87. Okay, so this is your 36.87. Now we have to determine the direction of R with respect to PR vector. So PR vector is in the direction, so the direction of, and this vector will have an angle of 180 plus 36 point something 87, or says 37. Okay, so it will be in 217 degree angle and magnitude will be your A. So answer is option